gamit motorsiklo. Motorcycle Republic, sama-sama tayong ikutin ang mundo. Unahin natin ang Batanes hanggang sa hulo. Palaguin turismo gamit motorsiklo. Motorcycle Republic, sama-sama tayong ikutin ang mundo. Unahin natin ang Batanes hanggang sa hulo. Palaguin turismo gamit motorsiklo. Motorcycle Republic.
Is it over now? Or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Is it over now? Or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Come on now. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space.
So I want to welcome all the riders that came here, prepared their Vespa for this Pilipinas Tourism Rally. We have been creating events for Vespa since 2023, so second year na po namin to. So we're doing this to unite all Vespa enthusiasts in the Philippines. That's why our shoutout is always one Vespa, one Pilipinas. Again, thank you so much sa inyo. Ride safe sa mga riders sa sumali ng Tourism Rally, and see you in the finish line. One Vespa, one Pilipinas.
So welcome sa Vespa Pilipinas Tourism Rally 2025. So nandito po kami sa MOA Globe ngayon, dito po ang starting point namin, and we will be visiting several lalawigans po sa Luzon for this Vespa Tourism Rally. Ito po ang adhikain ng grupo namin para ma-promote po ang tourism sa Pilipinas using our Vespa. So from here, pupunta po kami ng Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, Tarlac, Pampanga, at ang pinaka last part po namin halos ay iikot po kami ng province of Bataan. So may Bataan Loop po kami. So excited na po ang mga tao. Ginagawa na po namin to every year. This is our second year. Marami na pong naglo-look forward dito sa event na to kasi napakasaya po talaga. So maraming salamat po at congratulations po sa lahat. Lalong-lalo na sa Vespa community for being ambassadors of tourism. Thank you.
Vespa Club Cavite. One Vespa, one Pilipinas. Woo! Hi everyone, my name is Picoy Burial from Fullprint, Manila. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa MOA Globe para sa Vespa Pilipinas Tourism Rally 2025. Ang advocacy ng event na to ay ma-promote ang tourism from Manila. Mag-e-end tayo sa Subic. So guys, samahan natin sila simula dito sa Pasay hanggang sa Subic, Zambales. Alright! Motor Republic. Ito yung binigay sa amin na sticker, registration. First stop namin, Cabanatuan. Tapos iikutin na from there, iikutin namin first checkpoint lang, iikot kami hanggang Bataan. Masaya to kasi once a year lang Vespa Rally. Siyempre, Motor Republic.
Good evening.
I'm Boss Tay Usis. We are member of the Boss is Vespa Honor Society of Saint Riders. Itong aming club ngayon, these are members of the BMW Club. That's why we get our name from Boss, BMW Honor Society of Saint Riders. Today, we are 31 members participating in this tourism rally. Sana lahat ay matapos ng maayos. At ito, ang lahat ng member namin ay supporting this Vespa Pilipinas activity. Boss! One Vespa! One Pilipinas!
Jake of Vespa Club Cebu. We were really looking forward to this event since last year. Luckily this year, we're able to join for 2025 Tourism Rally, and we're looking forward to experience it riding through several provinces of Luzon. Let's go! Samahan nyo kami sa Tourism Rally.
My name is Christine Pandy. I'm representing the group Scooty Cuties. I'm from Carmona, Cavite. First time kong sumali ngayon dito sa Vespa Tourism Rally dahil gusto kong ma-experience yung long ride using my Vespa Primavera. So, endurance rides are not something new to me, pero using a scooter, first time talaga. So, I'm so happy that I'm a participant for the first time dito sa event na to, and I look forward to traveling the places na pupuntahan namin sa North Luzon.
Hi, good evening guys. I'm Rose of Vespa Club Cavite. So right now, nag-gear up na kami. We're going to Bataan and endpoint is Subic for the Tourism Rally. Samahan nyo kami. Thank you!
Hi, good evening. I'm Joe Harking, the General Manager of Royal Moto Club. Thank you for sa Vespa Pilipinas for having us, Royal Moto Club, as your service provider dito sa event na to. Ano ba si Royal Moto Club? Royal Moto Club is a service hub located at Caloocan. So everybody is welcome if you're finding for a shop na gusto yung magpa-PMS, magkabit na accessories, magpa-rebuild ng motor, magpa-recondition. So pasyal lang kayo sa Royal Moto Club. So sa event na to guys, alam ko kasi last year I was a participant dito sa Vespa Tourism Rally. So for this year, Vespa Tourism Rally 2025. So congrats sa lahat ng riders sa sumali kasi alam ko hindi mabilis yung pagdadaanan nyo, mahirap yung ruta. So I pray and wish na ride safe kayo dyan. Tandaan nyo guys, hindi kailangan magmabilis. Ang finish line daw natin, lagi nasa bahay. So yun lang isipin nyo, enjoy the ride, enjoy the route, enjoy the scenic view, and promote natin yung Pilipinas. So more power to Vespa Pilipinas. So again, Joe Harking from Royal Moto Club. So thank you Vespa Pilipinas.
We'd like to officially welcome everybody to the 2025 Vespa Pilipinas Tourism Rally. Come on! I know everybody has prepared their Vespas, prepared themselves, and are excited for this ride. Kami rin po excited. Thank you to all the clubs. Lahat po ng clubs na nandito, maraming salamat. Kung hindi po sa mga club na nagjo-join, hindi po magiging successful ang event natin.
Time check, 11 o'clock. Samahan nyo ako. Magkita-kita tayo sa Shell Cabanatuan.
Spent the last year chasing myself. Take me to a better place where love's something else.
Vespa,
tayo, Vespa Club. We're at MOA Globe Arena. One Vespa, one Pilipinas.
Like you stuck everywhere. You keep it to yourself and your innocence. The only thing that's left for me. It's not that I want more, I only need it. I can't believe it. You fell on me. Did I cut you out by letting you leave? Maybe a little too much drama in your dreams. So I lost you again. You keep it to yourself and your innocence. The only thing that's left for me. It's not that I want more, I don't need it. I can't believe it. You fell.
Si Juno Fina po to, from Motor Republic. Nag-umpisa kami ng 11:30, 8 checkpoints ang dinaanan namin. Ang pahinga namin actually, puro mga checkpoint lang. Buti na lang naglagay sila ng mga 30 minutes na break dun sa 2 checkpoints na dinaanan namin. Ang laking bagay nun, nakapagpahinga kami. Kasi yun lang basically ang pahinga namin. At dinare-diretso na namin hanggang sa makarating kami dito sa finish line.
No time to worry about the past. Await the future to come at last. This time tomorrow I will be gone. A faded memory, forever worn. I wanna wake up without sorrow. I wanna step out in a world that's brighter. We are the people of tomorrow. We stand together, raise our hands up higher, higher, higher. We raise our hands up to the sky, higher, higher. We raise our hands up to the sky. Oh yeah.
Good morning mga Vespa Pilipinas. Nandito na po tayo sa Shell Cabanatuan. Time check po, 1:13. Almost 120 kilometers. Nakuha po natin ng 2 hours and 13 minutes. Ang next po natin na checkpoint sa Besa Pangasinan. Kita-kita po tayo doon. Enjoy lang. Ingat po tayong lahat.
Wake up without sorrow. I wanna step out in a world that's brighter. We are the people of tomorrow. We stand together, raise our hands up higher, higher, higher. We raise our hands up to the sky, higher,
Vespa Club of Cavite. Magbibigay lang tayo ng update. Umalis kami kanina sa SM MOA Globe ng 11 p.m. So right now, time check tayo is 2:20. Dumating kami ngayon sa Shell Cabanatuan. So after this, we're going to Vespa Pangasinan. Ride safe, everyone!
Morning, and we are here in Vespa Pangasinan, the biggest dealership of Vespa in the Philippines. Nandito po kami ng alas 3 ng madaling araw at saktong-sakto po sa minimum time na dating po ng mga Vespa. So, bali, kumpara po last year, ito po ay meron po tayong minimum at maximum per stop para maiwasan po natin ng overspeeding na magkakakos po ng accident. So, yung rules po na ginawa natin,
Everybody's required to wear complete riding gear, no? From the feet, riding shoes, or high cut, pads sa pants, pads sa upper part of the body, and a full face helmet.
So again, maraming salamat po sa pagsali sa Vespa Pilipinas sa
Tourism
Rally 2025.
Now is 3:29. We are now at checkpoint number 3 in Pangasinan, Vespa Pangasinan. So we came from Cabanatuan, which is almost less than 100 kilometers. So kaya medyo maganda rin at maganda ang daan na tinaanan natin. So this is our third checkpoint. Actually, hindi man ako nagato. At sabi nga ng mga kagrupo ko, bakit daw parang hindi ako napapagod? And actually, I am the oldest among our group. I am now 74 years old. Kaya nga medyo nahasa kami sa aming Boss Ironman. Because I have finished si Boss Ironman 6 times. Kaya medyo asana rin kami ng biyahe ng midnight hanggang the following day.
Hi guys, Bicoy ulit from Full Print Manila. So now, from Pasay, di ba kanina mga 11, nag-take off yung riders natin. Ngayon, time check 4:20 in the morning. So ngayon, nagsiset up na kami ng booth namin, no? And we're waiting for the riders to arrive. Ngayon, we're the 4th checkpoint. Galing sila sa Vespa Pangasinan. So marahil ngayon, medyo marami nang lumalaban sa antok, no? Tsaka sa pagod. Pero ang kagandahan doon, free ang drinks natin later, bibigay natin sa riders. So siguro mga around 2 p.m. Makakapunta na sila sa 8th checkpoint, which is yung last natin, ng finish line. So paano? Tara, samahan nyo kami hintayin sila. Morning, Romel Esperanza from Vespa Bataan Club, Bataan. Medyo pagod pero masaya. Nandito na ako sa checkpoint number 4, Shell Balibago. Mabuhay Vespa Pilipinas. 5 a.m. na. Mula 11 hanggang ngayon, hanggang 5. Diretso, okay naman yung biyahe. Smooth na smooth. Thank you!
Maxi Amora, Team Boss. Time check, 5 a.m. Next stop, SM Bataan. Walang kapagod-pagod, kayang-kaya. Ayos!
I'm okay. 난 괜찮아. 이제 그만 날 피하지 마. 그 분명한 말도 안 돼. 나를 봐봐. 널 위해 많이 고민했어. 고른 멜로디. 이 노래 듣고 네가 좋아해줬으면 좋겠다. 나를 봐봐. I think about you every day. 꿈을 꿔봤자 하늘에 소리 질러봐. 힘을 내줘. 이렇게 힘을 내줘. 어디로 갔는지 몰라도 우리 함께 alright 손을 잡아. 힘을 내줘. 내 곁에 서라면 그대 늘 바랬던 It's my life. 너와 꿈을 향해 이 노래 부를게. I'm okay. 넌 괜찮아. 다 이겨낼 걸. 무서울 게 없잖아.
Masakit na sa puwet. Pero okay naman. Ang-anim na to. Time check, 9:07. Dalawa na lang. Pakikunan mo to. Yan. Design. Nagkaroon ng design. Nagkaroon ng design pero okay lang. Kasama sa pag-ride yan. See you. Ginawan. Mountain View.
Nandito na tayo sa Kinawan Mountain View. We left Manila around 11 p.m. and now it's 8:21. This is the second to the last checkpoint. 80 kilometers to go before ang ating finish line. Medyo maaga pa, so dapat chill lang ang pagra-ride and always be safe para lahat tayo uwing masaya sa ating mga pamilya. This is not really the first time that we joined the Endurance kasi galing na kami sa Boss Ironman. Pero still special ang Vespa Pilipinas Endurance Tourism Rally dahil sa small bike, hindi naman ganun kabilis. So, kailangan lang talaga ng skill, kailangan ng pahinga dahil ito ay puyatan. Pero good thing dahil laging may excitement, laging gising. Siyempre, looking forward na ma-meet lahat ng kaibigan doon sa finish line.
tried staying awake, not because I wanted to, but because of the enjoyment of the ride itself.
Ang grupo namin, si Dondon, si Dondon, Alan, si Misael, si Marcel, at saka si Dandy. Actually, marami kami, hindi lang naka-join yung mga iba.
Hindi nakasali yung big boss namin.
Hindi nakasali yung big boss namin. Shout out, boss Alex Ang, yung big boss namin. So, yun lang. Since kagabi pa kami nagmumotor, umalis kami sa MOA ng alas 11:30. And nandito na kami sa Morong Bataan. Papahinga lang ng konti, medyo antok na. Tsaka water break, ihi break. Tsaka pagod na kaming lahat. So
40 kilometers na lang
40 kilometers na lang mula Moon Bay. Pahinga na.
We all come from somewhere, a place with a name, but in our longing hearts, we're all the same. We can make it happen, turn things around. Let's be the change we want to see about. We are links in a chain. We are links in a chain. An important wagon on a moving train.
Magandang hapon po. Si Juno Fina po to from Motor Republic. Kakatapos lang namin ng Vespa Rally. Ang experience ko dito, bittersweet eh. Grabe, nakakapagod. Pero pag natapos mo, fulfilling. Yung parang yung pag meron ka bang pinaghihirapan, pagkatapos nakuha mo, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ganun din yun dito. Parang ano siya eh, paghihirapan mo talaga. Kasi kanina pa kami gising. Actually, halos wala nga akong tulog eh. Nag-umpisa kami ng 11:30. 8 checkpoints ang dinaanan namin. Ang pahinga namin actually, puro mga checkpoint lang. Buti na lang naglagay sila ng mga 30 minutes na na break dun sa 2 checkpoints na dinaanan namin. Ang laking bagay nun, nakapagpahinga kami. Kasi yun lang basically ang pahinga namin. At dinare-diretso na namin hanggang sa makarating kami dito sa finish line. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na pinaghirapan mo, nakuha mo, na-accomplish mo. At saka dito, na-develop yung camaraderie namin. Ipupush mo yung pag medyo pagod na, kailangan mong ipush para syempre bigyan mo ng moral boost. Ganun, tulungan para lahat kayo makakatapos, lahat kayo makaka-finish line. Syempre, sama-sama kayong nag-umpisa, dapat sama-sama din kayo magtatapos. Walang iwanan, leave no one behind.
An important wagon on a moving train. Yes, we are links in. Yes, we are links in a chain. 괜찮아 이제 그만 날 피하지 마 그 분명한 말도 안 돼 나를 봐봐.
Hi, good evening! Ito ulit ako. I'm Rose of Vespa Club Cavite. And Yahoo! Series? That is, natapos ko na rin yung loop sobrang grabe, nakakapagod, as in. So almost 24 hours kami nagra-ride. So imagine, pero sobrang saya. It was so exciting and talagang kapagod lang. Pero worth it pag nakuha mo na to. 279 participants! Congratulations!
On behalf of Motor Republic, I'm Bukak Espiritu. I would like to thank Vespa Pilipinas for having an event like this.
Yeah. Ako naman si Derek, also a member of Motor Republic. This is the Vespa Pilipinas Rally 2025, and this kind of events helps the riding community. And we all know naman yung Motor Republic is all very well involved sa riding community natin. So, thank you so much.
Thank you, Vespa Pilipinas.
Hello guys, we're from Vespa Club Cebu. Ayan, maraming salamat sa Vespa Pilipinas for organizing this event. Ano masasabi mo?
Solid po. Ang saya.
Ayan.
Congrats again. Looking forward to next year's tourism rally.
Yun, excited na kami. Sobrang perfect yung weather. Kaya excited kami sa next Vespa Pilipinas Rally.
Next year ulit. Sana po, in the future, sa Cebu naman. Cebu Loop na naman.
Let's go, Cebu Loop! Let's go!
One Vespa, one Pilipinas po.
Let's go!
I'd like to congratulate Vespa Pilipinas for this wonderful event. It's a very, very successful event because so many riders had to ride 510 kilometers and 261 finished it. What an amazing feat. Thank you so much for the Vespa lovers. Malaking bagay yan para sa Moto Italia Philippines or Vespa Philippines for promoting the brand. Thank you to the Department of Tourism. Congratulations to Chairman Chris Mauricio and Vice Chairman Robbie Season for a wonderful job. Again, to all the Vespa riders who attended and rode this event, thank you so much. So guys, we've concluded our Vespa Pilipinas Tourism Rally 2025. This time, yung final natin is Twisties. Siyempre yung Bataan Loop na talagang na-push yung limits ng mga riders. Pero at the end of the day, everybody was happy. Everyone was given the medal. Actually, states kung saan tayo umikot. Tapos siyempre yung attachment niya na Bataan Loop medal, no? Finisher na siyempre si Robbie ang nag-design ito. Kaya very, very special.
The certificate and the medal, we gave special award to the youngest male rider. Imagine 16-year-old rider, youngest female rider, oldest female rider.
Yes.
So again, thank you so much sa Vespa community. Thank you po sa lahat ng sponsors natin that make this.
Thank you.
Made this. And again, don't forget to all our Vespa friends and Vespa community, one Vespa, one Pilipinas.
Thank you.
One Vespa, one Pilipinas.
One Vespa, one Pilipinas!
One Vespa, one Pilipinas, one Bataan!